Tapescript 3.9.1.
Hyung, what's the matter?
Oh, Mom, I've hurt my head.
Oh dear. Sit down here and tell me what happened.
I was diving into the river and I hit my head on a rock. Now I have a huge bump on my head.
Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh yes. It looks bad. Did you injure any other parts of your body?
Yes, I cut my arm and I twisted my ankle. I have a bruise on my thigh and I have a headache.
Okay, I will take you to the clinic. I'll call them and make an appointment with the doctor.
Thanks, Mom.
Bump. Bump.
Injure. Injure.
Twist. Twist. Ankle. Ankle.
Bruise. Bruise.
Thigh. Thigh.
Appointment. Appointment.